everyone, in this video I'm going to show you not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, but 7 ways you could prepare yourself for 2021, even have the best year of your life or ever, you know. I've been seeing people on YouTube and TikTok posting videos like this. Might as well film one and post it on YouTube for you guys, right? Before I get on the topic, the first way how to prepare yourself for 2021, I want to give Turkey Girl MS a quick shout out commenting on my last video. If you guys want a shout out in the next video or future uploads on my channel, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe, and comment the red heart emoji so I know you watched the video to this point. Number 1 is spiritual. This is the part of what you believe in, your goals, what you want to happen in yourself, what character of yourself, what you want to be by the end of 2021, right? So this is where you're working on yourself, your beliefs, and all that jazz. And let me say like a little example, right? For a little example, what my goals are is posting 2 times a week on YouTube. Is the consistency what matters to me. That's what I believe in. By the end of 2021, I see myself hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Number 2 is mental. And this is when what you do every day. It could be journalism, and that's what I do every day. Exercise routine or meditation. You do meditation in the morning. You wake at 4 in the morning and you do meditation for, I don't know, 30 minutes, and you work out for 15, 11 minutes. And that's what I do. Exercise is part of my mental health, and meditation is part of my mental, and then journalism is part of my mental. Number 3, physical. This is where what you're doing stuff like 10,000 steps a day, exercise, cardio, legs, squat, bench, and all the weight stuff and all the exercise stuff. Fitness could be that, or you know, switching it up like yoga, like you have a yoga class, you need to do that, and etc. Nature walks, you know, just be creative. You could do nature walks in the morning, walks with your mom and dad, exercise like I do a little cardio and push-ups and all that, and you know, steps, run or something, you know. Number 4, intellectual. And this is about like knowledge, you learning stuff like reading a book, Audible, you know, podcasts, learning stuff, information from YouTube like this video I'm doing right now. Intellectual is more based on learning more piece of information or learning stuff, a new topic, a new industry, a new skill, whatever. That's intellectual. It's focused on you to learn something. Number 5, relational. This is more based on relationship, friends, family, husband, wife, spouse, and all. It just focuses on how you hang out with your old friends or with your current friends. It's more based on your relationship status with, if you have a wife or a girlfriend, boyfriend, all that, and then you got your friends, you got your family, have a connection, and that's good. That's a good thing. Number 6, the second final one. Before I say any information about the number 6 one, I want you guys to smash that red subscribe button and like the video if you're enjoying this. Number 6, financial. And it's basically on that word, financially. Basically on financially, employment, debt, student loan debt, or like that. It's most on the money you earn, the money goes in debt, and the money employment, you're self-employed, full-time, part-time, and all. And the last one, number 7, personal. Personal is growth, what you really want to happen to yourself. For myself, for example, is grow my YouTube channel and my TikTok all together in one, and it's very difficult to do that, to balance both of those. And filmmaking is my passion, and producing, and then master. This is by end of 2021, I want to master VFX effects. If you don't know what that is, it's part of filmmaking, and you see it all the time in movies. I believe that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, smash the like button, click the big red subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you won't miss a single upload in the future. And again, if you guys want a shout out on my next video, all you need to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment why should you get a shout out on my next video. Alright, and further ado, I'm out. Peace.